Billions of empty beverage cans are scattered all around us. Most of us finish our drinks and simply throw them away. But from an industrial engineering perspective, they're an open treasure trove. Welcome to one of the most extraordinary metal transformations you'll ever witness. From a crushed aluminum can lying on the roadside to a durable aluminum roofing sheet. It all begins at the collection yard. Massive excavators load tons of discarded aluminum cans into a conveyor system. The conveyor carries millions of aluminum cans into a high-capacity industrial shredder. Razor-sharp alloy steel blades tear through the metal as if it were paper. Crushing the cans not only reduces their volume, but also makes the next melting stage faster and far more fuel efficient. After the shredding stage, the aluminum scraps are carried deep into the very heart of the factory by a conveyor system. At the extreme temperature of 700 to 750 degrees Celsius, the magic of engineering begins. The solid metal's physical structure rapidly breaks down. However, at this stage, the molten aluminum is still far from pure. It contains a significant amount of impurities. The thin paint coating on the beverage cans, dirt, residue, and other organic materials rise to the surface, forming a thick layer of black slag. Specialized robotic arms carefully skim away every bit of this slag. Next, engineers precisely calculate and add important alloying elements such as magnesium and manganese. This combination maximizes the material's mechanical strength and corrosion resistance. Finally, what remains is an exceptionally pure stream of molten aluminum.
This massive aluminum slab, glowing red hot, is slowly moved by heavy-duty transport rollers to the next stage of production.
Once the aluminum has just solidified while still retaining its heat and ductility, it is immediately sent to the hot rolling line. It is fed straight into the hot rolling process without delay. With every pass through the rollers, the thick aluminum slab is compressed to half its original thickness while doubling in length. The process then moves to the cold rolling line, where cooling water and lubricating oil are continuously sprayed under high pressure. This rapidly cools the metal while producing a smooth, bright silver-gray surface. This stage demands absolute precision from the computerized control system. Laser sensors operate continuously to monitor every sheet. If the roofing sheet is too thick, it becomes heavier, wastes material, and places unnecessary stress on the building's structure. If it's too thin, it loses its strength and can be easily torn apart by powerful storm winds. The massive coils of thin aluminum are now fed into the final transformation machine, the corrugating
The
press.
visualization clearly demonstrates how the corrugated wave structure distributes the force, dramatically increasing stiffness and strength without adding material.
For roofing panels, the corrugated profile disperses wind loads and distributes the impact of falling rain, significantly improving the panel's rigidity and load-bearing capacity. This is the moment the fragile aluminum sheet transforms into a strong, resilient structure. To withstand Vietnam's harsh tropical climate, the roofing panels need a protective shield. The powder coating process begins with surface pretreatment, completely removing oil, grease, and dust. The aluminum sheets are then thoroughly dried. Because the polymer powder particles are electrically charged, they cling tightly to the metal surface, creating an exceptionally uniform coating. This protective layer not only enhances the appearance but also shields the metal from oxidation, acid rain, corrosion, and harmful UV radiation. The aluminum sheets are then sent into a curing oven, where the coating forms an ultra-durable polymer bond. Under intense heat, the coating melts, cures, and hardens into a permanent protective layer that bonds tightly to the metal. And here is the result of this engineering miracle. From a discarded aluminum can refined by fire and shaped under the immense force of industrial machinery, it has become a strong and enduring roofing panel. These roofing sheets are now ready to protect homes, factories, and buildings across Vietnam. The widely used square corrugated profile helps rooftops withstand the powerful storms that frequently strike central Vietnam. Another important application is residential construction, where these panels provide both a modern appearance and long-lasting durability. The ultra-durable polymer powder coating bonds firmly to the surface, protecting each roofing sheet from oxidation and corrosion for years to come. Recycling aluminum consumes only 5% of the energy required to produce new aluminum from bauxite ore, while preventing millions of tons of waste and greenhouse gas emissions, helping protect the environment. This innovation is not only an engineering achievement, but also a commitment to a more sustainable future. Aluminum is an ideal material for building a greener future and advancing a circular economy in Vietnam. The next time you hold a beverage can, remember that its journey doesn't have to end in the trash. It could be the beginning of a new life, protecting homes, factories, and countless other structures. A remarkable transformation made possible by technology for a greener and more sustainable future.